Introducing GreenPista, redefining the way you view currency. First, download the GreenPista app on your phone. Next, scan any currency note that you may get on a daily basis. Who knows what treasures you'll discover which may change your life? You might discover golden or platinum notes that are worth from thousands to a few lakhs. Golden notes feature initials and surnames into letters, coupled with a 6-digit serial number in DDMMYY format, encapsulating priceless memories and value. In a platinum note, this number is linked to a celebrity, a historical event, or a unique number like 786, etc. This rare discovery can be worth in lakhs. Once you discover a unique note, you may choose to sell it on our platform, where a large number of pre-bookings exist, and new bookings are made by people on a daily basis. If your discovered note is already pre-booked, the pickup will be initiated immediately by the system, otherwise, it will be available for sale. Your note will be picked up by our representative with OTP exchange, then delivered to the GreenPista Fulfillment Center, and finally, delivered to the buyer's doorstep. Earn rewards beyond face value. Your notes can be worth more than you imagine. Help people to discover their memorabilia.